Fatal flaw on Meghan court case. Lorraine Kelly blasted as she has been economical with the truth. Lorraine Kelly welcomed royal expert Russell Myers onto Thursday's edition of her ITV show to discuss Meghan Markle apologizing to the Court of Appeal after it was revealed she knew her aide had given details to authors of hers and Prince Harry's biography Finding Freedom. The Duchess of Sussex sued Associated Newspapers Limited, ANL, the publisher of the Mail on Sunday, over 5 articles that reproduced parts of a personal and private letter sent to her father, Thomas Markle, in August 2018. Lorraine admitted she was baffled by Meghan's decision to go to court after messages between herself and Jason Knauf suggested she believed the letter may be leaked to the press. The ITV host began, "It's baffling to me that if you're going to take a newspaper to court you have to be rock solid, and I know it was about the letter, but that's more things coming out about this letter that she sent to her dad calling him daddy. I wonder why it didn't come out beforehand. It seems really strange, the timing." Russell replied, "The two issues are not only because of the book, and that is proving quite embarrassing, and it may point to the fact that Meghan has been economical with the truth. But the reason this case was brought by Meghan was she believed the Mail on Sunday, and printing 5 articles about a letter she wrote to her father was against her privacy and her data protection. The Mail on Sunday was found to have acted illegally in those points, and now we're seeing Meghan's exchanges with her communications secretary Jason Knauf pointed to the fact that she did believe this letter would come into the public sphere. She said to him, 'Given I've only ever called him daddy, it made sense to open as such, despite him being less than paternal. And in the unfortunate event it leaked, it would pull at the heartstrings.'" Now Meghan continued in her texts and emails to Jason Knauf, "Everything I have drafted is with the understanding it could be leaked, so I have been meticulous in my word choice. But please do let me know if anything stands out for you as a liability." Now there was another 22-page witness statement from Meghan where she is saying that regardless of whether I thought this may end up in the public domain, it wasn't my intention for him to put it into a newspaper. Russell continued, "It's got particularly very messy. I think you've seen the headlines today where people are saying that Meghan is Little Miss Forgetfulness. This is something the Court of Appeal judges will have to decide, whether this goes back to the High Court now and whether we do actually see a full trial between Meghan Markle and her father Thomas, which would be explosive." Lorraine commented, "It just all seems really unnecessary, Russell. They didn't have to take that action against the Mail on Sunday. It was at the time everyone said it was extraordinary. Members of the royal family don't usually do that, and I know they're not quite royal. We don't know how to describe them. It just seems really unnecessary, and particularly when she said the toxic press need a warning and all of that, it just seems such a mess." Russell replied, "Well, that's a big issue because just this week we've had Harry and Meghan speaking on different platforms about the toxicity of the tabloid press, Meghan saying it should come with a health warning, Harry saying the press are pirates with a press card and talking about the fact that they're not to be trusted. This is in a court of law that Meghan and Harry have been deemed to be colluding with the authors of that book. They said in court and through their lawyers time and time again that there was no contribution to the book and no collaboration. If they are being economical with the truth in that sense, how much more is there to this case? We keep saying that to each other. There's going to be a lot more this. It seems quite bizarre, I think that's the word," Lorraine added.